Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo, both super-automatic espresso machines. First impression?
Well, the Philips is listed at $799, but it's a renewed product. The De'Longhi is $574.99, which seems like a better deal up front, but there are other sellers with lower prices.
Good point. And the Philips boasts 12 coffee options, while the De'Longhi lists 5 one-touch recipes. Is that a big difference, do you think?
Potentially. If you want lots of variety straight away, the Philips wins. But the De'Longhi has a My Latte feature, so you can customize and save your own drinks. That's pretty cool.
True. What about the milk frothing? The Philips has this LatteGo system they claim is super easy to clean.
The De'Longhi has the Latte Crema system, which says it textures milk and timed milk alternatives. Plus, the milk container is fridge safe. That's a nice touch.
Cleaning. The Philips says the LatteGo is dishwasher safe, and the De'Longhi mentions removable, dishwasher safe parts too. Seems like both are designed for easy cleanup.
For sure. Grinder-wise, the Philips has ceramic grinders with 12 settings, rated for 20,000 cups.
The De'Longhi has a conical burr grinder and 13 grind settings, which is nice.
Okay, so the De'Longhi is heavier, at 27 pounds versus the Philips 18.58 pounds. Dimensions-wise, they're pretty similar though.
One thing that jumps out is the customer rating. The Philips has a 4.1, but the De'Longhi only has a 2.8. That's concerning.
Yeah, that's a red flag. Definitely worth digging into the reviews to see what problems people are having. The top review on the De'Longhi even mentions it was used when they ordered it, and they feel like they didn't read anything about that, which is not great.
So to recap, the De'Longhi is cheaper and has some nice features like the personalized recipes and milk alternative frothing. The Philips has more preset options and a better customer rating, but you're buying a renewed product. Tough call. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.